Paxton, what are you doing? Are you feeding the dogs? Don't do that. All your food's gonna go everywhere. What are you doing? What are you dropping on the floor? What was that? Those Cheerios are for you, not for the dogs. Oh. You're out of food, huh? Paxton. Hey. What are you doing over there? Hmm? What are you doing? Where does that food belong? What are you going to do with that Cheerio? Hmm? Really? Is that really where the Cheerio belongs? Is that really where it belongs? Paxton. Hey. Son. What are you doing over there? What are you doing with the Cheerios? Now they're gone. If I give you more, are you going to feed the dogs or are you going to feed yourself? Hmm? Huh? What do you think you're doing? What are you going to do with those Cheerios in your hand? Well, now you're dropping them all down on you. What'd you find in your cookie? That's gross. Oh, what are you going to do with it? You're not going to eat it? Oh, you are going to eat it. Oh, no, no. I'm going to give it to the dogs. I'm going to give it to the dogs. Yep. That's what we do, Gma P. That is how we do it. Say hi, Gma P. Say hi, Gma P. You going to feed some Cheerios to Gma P?